join fields can be used to connect data across any combination of collections, datasets, or views. Join fields connect the two separate groups of data by using a field that's common to both of them as a bridge. These two fields don't even need to have the same name. Creating a join using these fields will work as long as they contain matching values. Here are a few example use cases for join fields. You could connect invoices to your vendor database or an accounts payable system, relate claims forms to your database of customer policy data, or tie purchase orders to customer records from your CRM. Here's how to create a join field. And in this particular example, I'll be connecting a collection and a dataset. Remember that this process works for any combination of collections, datasets, or views. This collection contains extracted fields from invoices, and this dataset contains payment data about those same invoices. Both the collection and the dataset have a field that contains invoice number values, so we'll use this common field to create the join. Go to the invoice collection and open any file. Click New Field. Hover over the three dots at the top to access the Advanced menu and select Join Data. Name your join field, then choose the common field as it appears in this collection. Now, choose the dataset you want to connect this current collection to, then choose the common field as it appears in this dataset. Hit Create Field. What we're doing is establishing a connection using the common field as a bridge between the two groups of data. Exit Extraction View to return to Collection View, and you can see that a join field has been created in the Invoices collection that contains all the data brought in from the dataset. For this file, the invoice number is 2258. Impera looked for a matching number value in the invoice number field on the dataset and brought in all the data associated with that number, like the ID number, whether it was paid or not, and the date it was paid. Repeat these steps to join any combination of two collections, datasets, or views. Check out the description to learn more about join fields. Thanks for watching.